Hey. So, and we have been working all day in the Native Eats kitchen and doing various things that we need to do to provide such wonderful recipes to you beautiful people. Now we're hungry, and I just thought about an amazing recipe that I haven't shared with you guys. Naughty me. So today is gluten-free flour tortilla shrimp tacos with homemade pickled red onions. You're gonna love this recipe. And I'll see you guys back in the Native Eats kitchen so we can eat them up. Hola! Welcome to Native Eats. Today we are doing one of my favorites, shrimp tacos with pickled red onions and our own crema. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own quick pickled onions for these delicious tacos. And I'm going to show you how to make your own crema for the topping. And you're going to need a batch of our gluten-free flatbread. So make sure you make up a batch of that. I'm going to provide the link for you so that you can get some gluten-free flatbread and make them the taco size like I mentioned in the video. You'll need some of those for this recipe. So now we're going to move on to the shrimp. I always encourage you to eat wild seafood for the most part, unless it's like catfish. Don't eat catfish wild. Look at this. This is Mexican, so I think that's still golf, right? So it's Mexican shrimp. All wild caught. And I always encourage you to buy already shelled seafood unless you're gonna have like a peel and eat type of thing, because when you're cooking, it's a big time saver. So I always look for that. Just speed that process up, push them. And I'm gonna put them into this paper towel lined bowl so they can sort of dry up a little bit, because we are gonna dredge these. And so what you'll need for this dredge is you're gonna need, this is some breadcrumbs that I made in a show of gluten-free breadcrumbs, homemade. So I'll provide the link for you to make these if you wanna make this particular dredge. And then we're gonna add some potato starch for our dredge. You can over-season shrimp so easily. So I'm gonna be careful on how much seasonings I use, but I am gonna not post-season, I'm gonna pre-season. And so I'm gonna use, like I was telling you, I'm just gonna use this seafood blend, which is all organic. I love that. And I'm gonna use some extra salt. Half a teaspoon of salt on these. And I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of this seafood blend. And if you wanna know what's in this blend, I'll tell you what's in this blend. Want no further. Salt, paprika, onion, garlic, sugar, chili pepper, some sunflower oil, lemon peel, and paprika extract. So we're going to stir this around, and those shrimp are ready to dredge. So I'm gonna set these aside, and I'm gonna show you the dredge that I have a bag out. All right, so all you need to do for this is we're gonna just put 1 cup of potato starch. For the breadcrumbs, we're gonna go with about half a cup of your breadcrumbs. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a pan, and I'm gonna see you guys back here in just a few minutes. Okay, so we're back. Now we're going to get our oil ready to fry our shrimp. So you're gonna wanna have your mixture ready, and I'm gonna use coconut oil. So I'm gonna use coconut oil, but you could use like almond oil. Those are some of the Native Eats approved cooking oils, avocado oil. So we're just gonna get this going at about a medium temp, get our oil going. Okay, so we have our shrimp. How pretty, right? You can see in there how pretty those are. And we're just taking them in our nice gallon-sized baggie here with the mixture that we made. So we made this nice mixture, and we're gonna just not overdo it. So we're just gonna put that, maybe about half a dozen in there. So we're just gonna take these and put them out. It's ready, those sizzle. So just go ahead and drop all your shrimp in. Try to get them in fast so that, you know, you don't have them cooking at different times. All right, there we go. Shrimp don't need but about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So while those get brown, I'm gonna toss some more of these babies. Okay. These are definitely ready. I'm gonna bring this over here. I'm putting these on the wire. These are finishing up. I am going to get us some plates out so we can plate up these gorgeous gluten-free flour fried shrimp tacos. So I'll see you back in a minute with some plates. All right, so it is the grand finale. We are gonna make up some of these tacos. So let's do it. Let's get started. There's one. All right, now let's grab a couple of shrimp per. Oh, I think our taco friends just showed up. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pickled onions. I pulled a little group of them out here. We're gonna take our pickled onions and we're just gonna slide these on that we made. There we have that. Next, it's very simple. We're gonna give it, I guess let's go ahead and put our cilantro on. And then two more things. We're gonna put our crema. Okay, and then just to make it, to brighten it up, you just put some sprigs of lime. Yeah, is that what they call them, sprigs? Sprigs of lime. And there you have it. Come in and taste. I want you to have one with me. There you go. That's yours, baby girl. I want you to try that. Grab that taco right there like that. And then for us, my love, hold this. Okay. Bon appetit. So good, right? The shrimp, perfectly cut. Right? You got the pickled onions?
I love the pickled onions.
I love the pickled onions.
Yeah, probably one of my favorite part.
The shrimp is cooked really good too.
Awesome. So, if you're craving gluten-free fried shrimp and gluten-free tacos, you can have it now. So remember, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time on Native Eats.